How are you, my class 7 English version students? I hope everyone is okay and also fine. Today, our new topics I just explained about the measurement of temperature. Here's the measurement. Basically, there are some equipments. Here's the equipments. First structure is the mercury temperature and the mercury thermometer. Second is the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale. Please everyone see the books. What is the mercury thermometer? Here I just show this structure is the basically mercury thermometer. Please everyone see the books. What's the meaning of the mercury thermometer? Basically, the type of thermometer that uses mercury as an indicator of temperature is called the mercury thermometer. You have certainly seen the thermometer which is used to measure fever. It is basically mercury thermometer. It consists of a thick walled glass tube with a narrow and uniform bore. Basically, it's also the thick wall is also made by the glass. Here's the kept the bore in one and there is a thin walled bulb. The other end is kept open at first. The bulb is filled with pure and the dry mercury through the open end. Here's the basically this structure. Here's also the mercury structure. Again, the rest of the tube does not contain anything except a small amount of mercury vapor. The tube is then graduated according to a fixed scale for measuring thermometer. The bore in the tube of the thermometer is extremely narrow. So, the mercury goes upward to a great extent if the thermometer of the bulb slightly increases. How much temperature increases can be understood by observing the mercury level on the scale. That's the basically mercury level, basically 98 to 105. Do yourself determination of fever by using thermometer. The normal temperature of human being is 98.4 Fahrenheit. Please everyone marks this line. Basically normal temperature is the 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Again I also repeat. It is called fever when the temperature goes beyond that. Measure the temperature of 5 learners of your class using clinical thermometer and write down them. Decide from this whether or the anyone feels feverish. Once it's also crossed the 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, then we also observe the students also the feverish. Next, very important topic is measuring scale of temperature. Here's the measuring scale. Basically, there are two scales. One is the Fahrenheit scale and another is the Celsius scale. Basically, I just explained about the Fahrenheit scale and again the Celsius scale, and I also differences what is the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. Here, please everyone see the page number is 102. Basically, this structure is very important. Measuring a scale of temperature. In order to measure anything, the first step is to fix a unit of the thing as a standard for measurement. In measuring temperature, two fixed temperatures are considered as standard. They are known as the fixed points. One is the freezing point and another is the boiling point. Here's the student. Basically, I just draw this structure is the boiling point and this structure is the freezing point. And also the freezing point. What is the freezing point? The temperature at which pure ice melts under normal atmospheric pressure is called the freezing point. Another is the boiling point. What is the meaning of the boiling point? Here's the boiling point. Basically, the temperature at which pure water boils to vapor under normal atmospheric pressure is called the boiling point. Again, I repeat, what is the freezing point and another is the boiling point. Please everyone underline this structure, basically freezing and the boiling point. First structure, the freezing point. The temperature at which pure ice melts under normal atmospheric pressure is called the freezing point. And another is the boiling point. The temperature at which pure water boils to vapor under normal atmospheric pressure is called the boiling point. And the interval between the boiling point and the freezing point is divided into a suitable number of equal divisions. And the equal divisions, the interval which is divided into a suitable number of equal divisions gives us different scales based on it. Presently, basically two scales of temperature are followed. Two scales are explained below. Here I just draw basically this structure is the Celsius scale and another is the Fahrenheit scale. Please everyone see the books. First structure is the Celsius scale. The freezing point in this scale is marked 0 degree and the boiling point is marked 100 degree. Basically freezing point is the Celsius scale 0 degrees and the boiling point is the basically 100 degree. Please everyone know this carefully. And each division, the interval between 2 points is divided into 100 equal divisions. Each division is called 1 degree Celsius. Basically 1 degree Celsius. Scientist Celsius introduced this scale. It was then named Celsius scale after his name. Scientist, the scale is used for scientific works in different countries of the world including Bangladesh. Such as you listen to weather forecast that the maximum temperature of the day was 30 degrees Celsius. As the interval between the 2 points is divided into 100 divisions, it is also called centigrade. Centigrade means, what's the meaning of the centigrades? Basically centi means 100 and grade means divisions. Scale. Again, I also explain about the Fahrenheit scale. Basically, what's the meaning of the Fahrenheit scale? In this scale, the freezing point is marked 32 degrees. 32 degree and the boiling point is marked 212 degrees. Basically, 212 degrees Celsius, the Fahrenheit. The interval between the 2 points is divided into 180 equal divisions. Each division is called 1 degree Fahrenheit. Basically, this structure basically start 32 and the ending point is the 212. And this is the basically 180 degree Fahrenheit, and also it also remarks that. Again, scientist Fahrenheit invented the scale. It is called Fahrenheit scale after his name. Such as, when you have fever, anyone can say that your fever is 101 degree. In reality, the temperature of your body was 101 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, dear the students, basically today I just explained about the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale, and I just explained basically Mercury thermometer. Again, I also repeat what is the heat and temperature. Basically, I just explained basically to make relationship between the Fahrenheit and the Celsius scale. Today, this topic is the very important topics. Please everyone learn it carefully. Thank you.